welcome Gerald Anderson.
Good evening. Maraming pong salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you for being here and super excited ako for this new partnership namin with Reality and of course kay Sir Donald Direk Eric and sana ay tulungan niyo kami. Meron din kami i-announce mamaya about our first project together. Kasama po yung ginagawa na namin para ngayon. But sana po ay tulungan niyo kami ikalat po yung magandang balita about the partnership and about the projects that we're going to be doing. So again, thank you and good evening.
Thank you, Gerald. Let's invite Sir Donald and Gerald for a photo op right at the center, please. Before we begin our Q&A in a bit.
Center.
Sir Donald, a few words.
Good afternoon. Salamat sa pagdala dito sa studio. Pagtulong ko rin tayo to make this a success. Salamat.
Thank you, Sir Donald. We're so excited to hear yung partnership launch niyo mamaya. It's time to call in our next guest, pero let's watch this first. Welcome Gerald Anderson.
Good evening. Maraming pong salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you for being here and super excited ako for this new partnership namin with Reality and of course kay Sir Donald Direk Eric and sana ay tulungan niyo kami. Meron din kami i-announce mamaya about our first project together. Kasama po yung ginagawa na namin para ngayon. But sana po ay tulungan niyo kami ikalat po yung magandang balita about the partnership and about the projects that we're going to be doing. So again, thank you and good evening.
Thank you, Gerald. Let's invite Sir Donald and Gerald for a photo op right at the center, please. Before we begin our Q&A in a bit.
Center.
Alright, thank you. Mr. Nabi na si Gerald, no? We're working on a project. What it's all about? We prepared a short video. Panoorin natin to.
Guys, protect mo.
It's God's way of telling us to go offline. Ano ba kasi nangyayari sa world? Offline pa nila lang? Wala na nga akong social life. Wala akong social media. We can turn this into a positive situation. What are you doing? Ay! I don't get the room yet. I have to go to the airport. Presenting the shutdown special. You're such a hypocrite.
Yung nakita nyo is actually just a teaser. Kung matan kayo ng Metro Manila Film Festival event announcement launch last week, yan yung pinakita. But meron pang inalabas na official trailer ang Reality FM Studios and Third Floor Studios. Now, let's invite Gerald and Sir Dondo to sit and join us for this talk back. Ako na muna yung magtatanong, paano nagsimula itong inyong partnership? At ngayon lang ba to, o this goes way back? Sir Dondo.
Well, yung partnership namin ni Gerald, medyo matagal-tagal na talaga to. No? It spans years back when we did the first On the Job.
Okay.
Diba? Siya talaga yung...
Anong year na ulit ito?
Mga 2013, 2014.
He really did a wonderful job there, di ba? So, syempre natuwa kami. We really wanted to work more projects with him. Kaya lang, during that time, hindi busy na.
Yes.
So, nag-crucial lang tas namin ulit. Di ba dito kasi may ginagawa kami ngayon ng isang project.
Right.
My Lost.
Right.
Where, syempre, di ba rin si Gerald doon. So, we were able to spend time talking about, you know, yung visions namin for the industry, kung paano kami makakulunan together in producing good stuff din.
Okay.
Diba? Yun. So, talagang matagal na to. Diba? Parang sobrang tagal na pag-antay namin. So,
Long overdue na.
right now, nangyari na rin, diba? So,
I know. Gerald.
Yeah, of course, dahil sa OTJ, nakarating ko ng Cannes Film Festival, may experience ko yung mga festival katulad yan. And after po ng, kailan ba yung Cannes Film Festival? 2014 din po ata yun eh. So, after that, I was not able to go back. So, meron kami mga ibang proyekto po sa pipeline sana for festivals and of course for the Philippine market. Ito yung Reconnect will be our first partnership and it's a Christmas movie, so sobrang sakto siya sa MMFF and opo, kasama ko dyan, hindi lang ako nakita sa teaser. Pero kasama ko dyan and napaka-beautiful na kwento na to and it's very, you know, marami makakilink because it's very within the times na nangyayari sa atin. And there's magandang questions to this movie. And I'm very excited for this. And of course, we're doing Bypass 2, which is, it's just, diba, yung first Bypass was a movie, yung nakita nyo with, of course, Miss Anne for this time it's a series. It's a series.
yes.
Yeah, it's a series for Netflix. You know, I really feel so excited for this partnership kasi nakita ko yung attention to detail nila. Nag-lock in po kami sa Zambales, isang liblib at looban talaga ng Zambales. And gumawa sila ng set doon para po sa Bypass. And we were there for, nag-lock in kami, isang buwan kami na doon. Gumawa sila ng set. So that just shows how yung dedication nila to provide quality movies para po sa mga Pilipino. That's the perfect partner that we all want, that I want for my first, lalo na po for my first project as a producer. So, yeah, and like I said kanina, may mga ibang projects kami in the pipeline and I also want to say kwento ko yan, but tsaka na lang, but let's sana supportahan yung Reconnect this MMFF.
So for Reconnect, you are credited as an actor and producer.
Yes.
Interesting. Okay, let's begin our Q&A. Dito na ako muna sa side nito kina Bobby, kay Nansa, kay Corley. Bobby, ikaw na muna magtanong.
Congratulations sa partnership. So, sa Gerald, sa Reconnect, so is this the first time working with the Legaspi?
With?
The Legaspi, kay Carmen?
Yeah, first time. It's ang ganda kasi ng kwento nito, it's a multi-narrative. Para siyang what happens sa Pilipinas, ano nangyayari sa ating lahat, 10 days before Christmas na wala ng internet ng buong Pilipinas. So meron tayong kwento ng isang pamilya, sila mga Legaspi po yan, meron tayong kwento na yung sa amin ni Charlie Dizon, gaganap po siya ng kasama ko doon. It's how do we connect with each other, ano nangyayari sa Pilipinas kapag walang internet, nag-uusap pa ba tayo, or diba? So it's very, kumbaga marami mga relate because lahat tayo addict sa mga cellphone natin. We never really have time for, you know, yung conversation. Even sa dinner
Kasi naman being one of the producers of this movie. When was the last time ba nag-produce ka?
That's the first time. It's my first time. Yeah, so
So magkano nilabas mo?
Hindi, joke lang. It's my first time ko po ito. It's a learning experience. I'm trying to learn as much as possible. Medyo mahirap lang kasi sabay-sabay po. I'm doing 3 projects at the same time. Sins of the Father, Reconnect, at By Bus. Tomorrow is the Sins of the Father. Wednesday is By Bus. Thursday is I'm very blessed. I'm not complaining. But I'm just also trying to learn as much as possible as a producer. Kasi ibang naman yan eh. Ibang animal yan, ibang beast yan. But kilala niyo naman ako, I like challenges and next year 20 years na po ako sa industriya. So I want to also do something like parang, also give back to the industry that's given me so much. As a producer, nakakapagbigay ka rin ng trabaho sa mga tao. Nagbibigay ka ng sana ng magandang proyekto para sa Pilipinas, diba? So, it's very aligned dun sa gusto ko rin mangyari for me. And sana maging successful ako. Sana sa support na yun, maging successful siya.
Yan ang last question of my part. So, ano na-convince niyo mag-produce? Anong turning point? Because ang tagal mo na rin sa industry also. Pero, why do you think this is the right time for you to produce a project?
Nice, that's a good question. Honestly, wala talaga akong plano. No? Wala rin akong plano mag-direct. Binigyan naman ng pagkakataon ng ABS para mag-direct sa Sins of the Father. I had a good experience. Iba rin po yung challenge yun. And mahilig ako sa challenges. I always want to grow. I always want to grow as an artist and as a person. And para magpasok, hindi rin basta-basta makapasok sa MNFF. Napakahirap kasi yung films lang this year. Out of, I think, 50 na pumasok na ito. So I think this is the best time to test the waters as a producer. Kung may kasama sa kultura ng Pilipino, ang MNFF, talagang naka-block off yan na kasama pong pamilya, kasama mga kaibigan, kasama di ba? Manonood tayo ng sinihan, wala tayo sa may kapatid ko. Di ba? So, tsaka, like I said kanina, it's my way of giving back to the industry and bigay sa akin ng napakamaraming blessings.
All the best, Gerald, and congratulations, sir.
Thank you, Bobby.